Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you share this video. King Mswati's international trip with his new wife in Zuma, the daughter to former South African President Jacob Zuma, will cost taxpayers over 200 million rands public funds. The cost, according to information obtained by this article, includes allowance for the delegation, flying costs for the private jet, and what is described as a pocket money for the king and his new wife. King Mswati left the country. He left the country of Swaziland on Sunday. He is highly expected to attend the World Food Forum in Italy, proceed Serbia for a state visit before attending the 2024 Commonwealth Head of Government meeting in Samoa. But Mswati's spokesperson, Percy Similani, told Swaziland News earlier that his office does not handle finances or allowance for the king and his delegation. He referred comments to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. According to an online publication called Swaziland News, efforts to reach Foreign Minister Polile Dlamini Shakantu, who is also part of the King's delegation, proved unsuccessful at the time of compiling this article, Swaziland News reported. Now, members of the delegation who will benefit from the King's extravagant international trip through allowances include Prince Lindani, Prince Bandazile, Prince Nwasho, Induva Temba Gciniza, Agriculture Minister Mandla Chauke, Foreign Minister Polile Shakantu, and members of the King's security personnel, amongst others. It is also alleged that Inkosikati Lazuma included her friends and relatives from the Zulu nation in the delegations. The Zulu will also benefit from the Eswatini public funds, but the Zulus, according to royal insiders, were allegedly included so that the new king's wife cannot feel lonely throughout the trip. Worth noting, the extravagant king's international trips comes at a time when Eswatini is facing shortages of drugs in public hospitals. Hundreds have died since the crisis erupted. The country is also facing an education crisis. Schools are facing shortages of teachers and working equipment, while university students commit suicide amid government failure to pay allowances. But apart from that, the government is struggling to pay suppliers within the small and medium enterprise sector, and this resulted to the closure of various indigenous companies, triggering job losses in a country where about 70% of the population lives below the poverty line. The country continues to face escalating levels of poverty and inequity amid government failure to increase salaries for civil servants, including nurses, teachers, police, fire officers, soldiers, and correctional service officers. Employees of the Eswatini Revenues Services are also facing shortages of working equipment with no significant salary increase after government reduced a budget for one of the most crucial institutions that collects tax to fund state operations. As reported by Eswatini News last week, close to 10 senior managers of the revenue institution redesigned, and massively as the working environment increasingly became more hostile. But amid the serious challenges facing the country, each member of the King's delegation might pocket close to 500,000 rands as an allowance. Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.